Hello and welcome to kiiff.com. This is part one of the WordPress walkthrough series. Just to remind you what this series is all about, I am creating a WordPress website from scratch all the way to a fully finished website that a legitimate business could use as a website of their own. I'm doing this with the least amount of cuts and edits as possible so that you see all the problems, solutions, easy parts, and hard parts to creating a professional website on the internet. We start here in the client area of kiiff.com as if we have just purchased our web hosting package, which came with a free domain, in this case, kiiff.org. And from the client area, we just click on our web hosting package here. We can visit our website, although there's nothing on it at the moment. To put a WordPress installation on our website, we go over here to the right side under Actions and click Login to cPanel. Upon logging into cPanel, we scroll down and find WordPress under the Softaculous Apps installer and click Install Now. I'm not using an SSL certificate for this installation, so I'll leave this field the same. Our domain is kiiff.org. I want to make sure to delete that WordPress or that WP. Otherwise, it would install this into kiiff.com/WP, which I want the installation to be at just kiiff.com. Site name and description we will leave default for now. You can always change this at any time later on. Our admin username and password I will leave the same. However, I will be changing the password offline, so that's for obvious reasons really. admin@kiiff.org is a good admin email. And I'm not concerned with the advanced options as WordPress does a fine job of selecting those database names and prefixed tables and things for me. It works just fine. So we'll just click Install. Give it just a second here, and WordPress was installed, so we can visit our new site. And voila, here it is. kiiff.org has WordPress installed. This is the default theme. It's very blank, but soon it won't be. And of course, we can log into our admin area. This is what the dashboard looks like for a WordPress installation, specifically 4.9.2. And from here is where we're doing most of the grunt work of the website, including installing our theme and various plugins to help us with functionality and giving the website a better, more professional look. So that's it for part one. We have just installed WordPress from the client area at kiiff, and from here we will be installing a theme and beginning the customization of the theme, which is really what this is all about. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part two.